bladder, and again, you've got a good view of transitional epithelium right here. This is the epithelium. And of course, this is muscle. What kind of muscle? Smooth muscle. So you're looking at the wall. You can see the biggest part is that smooth muscle. That muscle is called a detrusor muscle. Okay, so here is a look at a cut kidney. Remember we looked at pig kidneys. What are these regions right here? There's one right there. It's a pyramid. You can see a pyramid here. You can see a pyramid here. The pyramids are in what area of a kidney? The medulla. So it's all medulla. And what is this area out here? Cortex. So here's a good view of a third region of the kidney, which is what? The pelvis. And you've got some good views of the passageways at the bottom of every pyramid is a passageway. What's this passageway right here? Minor calyx. You can see minor calyx here. You see a minor calyx here. And where minor calyces come together, you have a major calyx right here. And then, of course, the major calyces dump into the pelvis. What is this thing right there? Ureter. And there's the ureter right there. So here is kind of a stylized section of a kidney. What are these blood vessels right here? The red and the blue guys. Arcuate. You'll see a better view of that coming up. So again, this down is going to be the medulla, and from here up is the cortex, right? Because again, that's the dividing line. This would be the boundary line for the tops of the pyramids. Okay, so you can see in green, what are the green structures? The Bowman's capsules, right. And then these blood vessels right here, what are they? Afferent? Arterioles. They're not arteries, they're arterioles. And then in yellow, what do you got? Collecting ducts. Okay, so remind yourself about these lab sticks. This is just got some pictures of different urinalysis stuff we did. You're not going to need to read the labels, but you ought to know what we tested for using these. What are some of the tests that we use this for? Glucose. Phosphates. Nope, we didn't use this for phosphates.
Oh, no, we didn't. We
did it by the tube method. pH? No, not phosphates. She just said that. I just smacked her on that. Protein. What else? Nope. Leukocytes, nitrates, specific gravity, blood, bilirubin was another one on it. Ketones is another one. And again, this is actually, you can see it right over here. There's the list, right? So some of these are chemicals, obviously nitrite and urobilinogen and protein. What are the leukocytes? What are you testing leukocytes for? Because normally you wouldn't have significant leukocytes in urine. What do they indicate? Infection, right. So the other things we looked at in urine were sediments. We looked at cells, casts, and crystals. You don't need to be able to differentiate this kind of cast from that kind of cast, a red blood cell cast from a white cell cast versus a fat cast. But you should know at least what these are. Are these casts or crystals? These are casts. What are these? Crystals. Crystals are easy to delineate because they look like crystals. What to say? Okay, so here are various organs of urinary and reproductive. So you had this guy on a lab quiz last week. This was a spermatic cord right here. Penis, glans, penis. What is that thing right there? Bladder. Here's a good view of the ureters coming down. Here's the bladder. What is this passageway going out the bottom of the, this is a urethra. And then there is an organ around the urethra. What is this thing right there? prostate, so obviously this is a male that you're looking at. Here's a view of a mink, male or female? Male. What's that right there? Bladder. There's one here and one there. So it can't be urethra because there's two of them. There's the vas deferens. And of course there's testes down here. Okay, so here's histology shot of kidney. What are these guys? Glomeruli, and you can see the Bowman's capsule space around it. Let's see, what is the yellow tubule over here?
Is it proximal?
PCT. White tubule?
DCT.
DCT. What's the specific kind of tissue making up the wall of that PCT there? Simple cuboidal. Okay, view of tubules. Right here at the pointer, there's a good view of simple cuboidal right there. What's this structure right here? Uterus. So you're looking at a female, you should know right away that's not a male. What's this thing in yellow? It's an ovary. This thing right there? Fallopian tube. This ligament. Nope, it's not a suspensory. Nope, it's not a broad. Look where it's attached. Round? Nope, it's not a round. Ovarian. It's attached to the ovary. Give me a break here. This is the round ligament right here in the front. And the broad ligament is this ligament over in here. That's in the flat there. Okay, so you're looking at a male or female over here? Why do you think it's female? Huh? Yeah, there's prostate right there. And what are these things right here? Nope. You're looking at the back. What are these things right here? Seminal vesicles, I think it's right here.
On a table, yeah. On a table here.
Oh, there it is, right there. You should have gotten that. It's right in front of you. So that's a male that you're looking at.
Is it in the front, right?
No, you're looking at the back.
The
This
back?
is the back, because the seminal vesicles are only seen from the back. They're on the back side of the bladder.
Why
That's
do we
the
have a
bladder
bond?
right there.
Why do we have a bond behind that?
Wait a minute, say it again. What?
We have the bonds behind that.
Bond.
Is like the back of this one? Is it bonds? Is it this one?
Oh, bone. No,
Yeah.
that's not on the back. That's on the front.
Is it front?
Yeah, that's the symphysis pubis in the front.
Ah.
That's why I told you you're looking at the back side.
All right.
Okay, so here's a look at a nephron to remind you the parts of the nephron. Here is our little model of a nephron. You can see the glomerulus really well, the Bowman's capsule. There's your PCT right there. The structures should be color-coded the same. So this is anything that is, what color shall we call that? Tan? I don't know. Yellow, gold, whatever it is part of the PCT. Because remember, it's convoluted and twisted. And then up here, although you really can't tell the difference, you've got the afferent and efferent arteriole. You can't really see the difference well on the two. What is this purple tubule right here? It's right in front of where the afferent and efferent come together. This is the DCT, so DCT, DCT, DCT. Actually, this is a loop of Henle right over there. This is a good view of simple squamous right there. Okay, so on this, you're looking at a male. This was just a good shot of a penis right there. There's the testes. There's the spermatic cord and a good view of the vas deferens right there. Okay, so blood vessels going up into the kidney. There's your renal artery. Then it splits into